Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best chafing dishes that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have rectangular chafing dish, designed for catering, weddings, buffets, parties, and hotels. This an 8-quart stainless steel Shafer. The Shafer can hold the lid in an upright position while serving the food from the full Shafer pan. It features 2 handles on each side. The handles provide the perfect spot for holding while serving dishes to guarantee safety. The bottom tray can support 2 fuel burners to help maintain warm food for extended periods. Also, its design aids in minimizing exposure to the flame to guarantee safety. Because of the NSF certified design, the Shafer is a great choice for a durable and safe-to-use chafing dish. Also, the Shafer is easy to wash in every corner of the inner and external part for ease of maintenance. The unit includes beveled legs designed to provide optimum stability for user safety. Once you get the model, you can expect to receive a water pan, a full-size pan, 2 fuel holders, and a stainless steel frame. Moving on at number 4, we have AlphaLiving chafing dishes. Get your catering program up and running with the help of the AlphaLiving 70,014 4-pack chafing dish. Each dish comes with a full-size pan tray, 2 fuel holders, frame, and lid. The Shafer features handle to ensure easy movement. Adding to that, the chafing dish features a stainless steel frame and body. As a result, you can acquire it when looking for a durable chafing dish. With foldable legs, you can be sure to have acquired a chafing dish that is easy to store and carry. Furthermore, the chafing dish can be stacked for compact storage. At number 3, we have upgraded stainless steel chafing dish. The Super Deal full-size stainless steel chafing dish is a round Shafer made using corrosion-resistant 18/8 stainless steel. The steel is heavy-duty and lightweight to enhance durability and easy transportation. Asides that, the Shafer features an elegant and spacious design. As a result, it acts as a perfect choice when looking for a Shafer that combines long-lasting functionality in a sleek style. The Shafer includes a fuel holder that holds the heat source for even distribution of the heat. Also, there is an elevated shelf. The shelf positions the heat close to the water pan to maintain the food's temperature while minimizing exposure to the flame. Because of the heavy-duty stand, you can rest assured to have a round Shafer that is stable and safe to use. Moreover, there are wide stainless steel handles that ensure easy transportation of the dish. The round Shafer comes in a complete kit featuring a cover, water pan, fuel holders, and food pan. The lid and body feature a mirror finish that reflects the venue's ambient lighting to deliver a glamorous presentation. At number 2, we have Chafing Dishes Buffet Server Warming Tray. Responding to the need for an ideal chafing dish for parties and holidays is Oster Buffet Server Warming Tray. This is a high-quality food warmer that features a large 20 inches by 13 inches heating surface. The heating surface can accommodate 3 2.5-quart trays so that you can maintain your dishes at the perfect serving temperatures. Another plus of the Shafer is the stainless steel housing. The result is a high-quality dish that resists corrosion and rust to enhance strength. The buffet server comes with doomed transparent lids to help trap warmth and moisture. Also, the food warmer tray features side handles that remain cool to the touch to guarantee safety. You can use the warming tray with different types of food, thanks to the temperature knob that lets you adjust the heat from low to high. And thanks to the dishwasher-safe pans and lids, this is a great choice for a warming tray that is easy to clean up. And finally at number 1. Winware Shafer. Create a sophisticated food presentation once you obtain Winware C5080 Shafer. The Shafer features a stainless steel construction to enhance strength. Further, it includes a stainless steel roll top cover to protect the food from losing moisture. The Shafer comes in a set that includes a 2 1/2 deep dripless water pans, 2 fuel holders, 1 full-size food pan and a dome cover. It features gold accented handles and legs making it stylish to use. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.